Hello, my brothers and sisters. I greet you on happy Sunday. Hope you people are doing well. From Untouchable Mama. I just get this little message to Iyo Tete and Monica Abros. First of all, may I first talk about Iyo Tete. Iyo Tete, Mama, my sister. Lawo, I beg because yesterday, I see say you put Monica children for Facebook. So write something on top of the picture. My sister Lawo Wonyawe. Arabiene, onwose ene donata we obiomo, egboja son, arabiene. There are many things where you know they do. Many things there where you know they do, where you're supposed to do, but you know do them because you say you still get your own. Then you just come out for there. You understand? Lao, I just beg you. Please, Lao, just remove those pictures. If you don't remove them, I don't know. But as I said yesterday, am I happy? I was not happy at all. Because all these things, no good to they bring children picture because not be those children I send their mother, wetin their mother they do. May we try to understand. We they damage our children. Because if our children not there for social media, maybe children friends go there when you see that thing, you know as children they do, they go pick am, they'll take am say they laugh you if you there for school, they see you, see wetin we see for social media, see wetin they write put, so now so you be, now so you that. It's very bad. Wala ho, yo tete, this one go to you. I know say maybe wetin Monica do na pain you, but carry Monica picture take do wetin you wan do, not be children o lao. Me dey beg because na all this kind thing na make me I no wan show my face, I no dey run, I no dey do anything because of say I fit talk to anybody, dem go carry my children picture come dey write nonsense and my children go denuncia because anything wey don enter ogbalegbe hand before e go comot, e get as e be. Once you don stain your name for ogbalegbe place, e get as e be. So mona please, anybody wey dey do all these things, mona try, mona dey do am again. E no good. E no good. Especially innocent children. It's very bad. Mama, please, I dey beg you. Just please remove those pictures. Anybody do you something, no dey carry their children picture. Carry that person, you write wetin you like put. If the person wan face you, if he face you, but those children, they are innocent. They no get wetin, they no be dem send their mother. They no send her, and they no send her anything. Na she dey do her own, but I just see that thing. The thing pain me as a mother. Iyo meha. The thing pain me. If person do am to me, I no know as I go feel. I go feel so bad. I feel find that person. You understand? Because I don't get my grown-up children and they fit do anything against that person. Which as a Bini person, that person a Bini, it's very bad. All these things is not good. If person do you something, do am back. That person will do you, do am back. No be your husband or your children wey e born. Please, I dey beg, please mama, yo tete lawo, the picture ni vio have picture monjo. It's very bad. It's not a good thing. I will wear that way, you know, like or see I don't know your time way. Ya we gbege. That is I give one on na. Ikbia ya waena. Because I will wear, you know, like you will not be happy. You will be very, very bitter. No, any all that way so if any person do you anything, no, they carry their picture of the children. Carry the person, take and they do if you want use and say do now we fit still settle between us because I remember children when they born for year for Europe, they don't know how to tell the color ballet. Even though say they for 2 years, children picking if you call up ballet before you. So all these things is very bad because now wetin they show them because like people children when they born for year, then they go now wetin then they teach them wetin be law, then they teach them their rights. So all these things is very bad. So only now therefore abani iyo tete laho wo laho. I dey beg you, please, in the name of God. Hey, gavie piche, ivie Monica, di yana ou anything at all. Hey, gamujo. Emma, because all biomo, egboja son, because on my dogger way, or see it, ne dona yak bitan verioni. So that's for that. Then Monica, now then the me beg because when imagine if I see say I not be your friend, I not be your enemy, but you they do something where they affect your children. You they do I don't care. Now only what they say where I don't care, it don't mean anything. When time I wear yeah, what I learn, ne ma vision ma ne do affect on my bie. All these things where you they do for social media is very bad. When you do something, you they do I don't care or my bad. Anything wanna lie, wanna do. Even though send my husband picture, even though send my children picture. Who may respect in name or no be, who may respect in not that from where because woman where they talk something like that, where they do I don't care. You don't get respect for the children where you born. Because I say you get respect for them with the husband where marry you. Such something day where you know they even they you know they do. Something day where you say I don't want. Igualo na do yo yasin yasibine. Igualo no ma do we no even do we no magba na do ya ikbi me kan put that for me here. This thing they pay me for you really. They pay me for you. May I tell you, get your video where I see you say genocide go use bucket to drink water for palace. No matter my way. Ogo huo to verie. Ogo huo to verie. If really say genocide go drink water for palace, huh? You know say your whole still dey your body. I first tell you, I say I get the audio where you with Lolo do. I get time. Wanna say insult Isha King. Oh, where Monica? I keep that video. When I see and the thing pay me, I keep on say the day when they go ask for because yeah, Harry Oja, they want show you pepper. I go bring and come out because I know they like where of your hand because we did for abroad. You come they throw your mouth, they go house. I know they like them. People where they do that thing. You like you're all there with me. The one where you would learn do. I not be person where they bring something come and say, Mona see, Mona share, Mona tell insult. No. I keep on because of say, if let's say I be bad person, if I don't bring and come out, if I tell you one certain time, if I don't bring and I keep on because of say, or be more exposure son, more than more, and because of Lolo, because now you drag Lolo enter inside that video. Lolo, I don't give my daughter a bunny, now you drag her because that girl, waiting Lolo they do, wetin Lolo dey do, wetin you dey do, not be the same. Lolo get respect pass you. Many people they talk say no, na lie, na Lolo na dey draw Monica. No, something dey wey Monica go do. Lolo ewe. She dey respect herself, but na Monica na dey draw and dey go. We no few pe ariye eltesan. We me eje gbedi yanwa me, egbedi amunonu yanwa me. Wa wo ge no we that add video ni egwe me. Reply and then na kamane we bring and come out, not it dey happen. The next day one more job boy. That is me for you. So at that way, it not there with you. If you do anything when you like, no, it there with me. Evano now too. So if they do something, they think say this thing. How you come they happy for even though say me I just say even though say Dion really go sweat or you go drink water. When you know say you all full your body, you all day there. You will just do how you not do. First and second audio, now you do where you say insult. Am I go by? Am I see what bossy what weladia? Everybody keep quiet, say make them they look you. Not be only me once. I believe say other people will still get the video. Just say make just keep up. I beg me, I forget about this one. But why you they do something where go they that the one where they pay me, they do something where go they affect your children. When you do and finish, person go carry the picture of your children, they'll come, they put time, they write waiting they not know them, they write and put. You know they sit down, make they think, say, waiting be all these things. You want me, you now you be waiting they call her the enemy of social media. I went time away. I want you see almost I want you down. I want you see almost I want you down. One lady sent me one in your video also. He said, see Monica, they beg, make people subscribe to YouTube channel. Say she want to do saga for them. Now I say, really? I watch that video, I just dey laugh. I say, see wetin, yeah, when full at 40 is full forever. I believe say you never reach 40, but you dey go there. Monica, and Oma Jemi, yes, your mama say Oma Jemi down. Make them subscribe, make they do saga. Person where you dey do saga, when your director on the Nigeria Watch where they carry the video, where they do gbogbo. He wife dey say yet bone. You dey do saga, make it oh salon boy. They have a young man no way come. You dey beg, make they. If they know what people know what watch you, they go rest. Those other people, other video where you they do, people they watch you. I been na people where they do sad night they do am for me. I don't understand you. Sometimes I just they look. I say, what did they do this girl? What did they do this lady? Huh? If you they do sad, may you for the rain be how. When we go Tony, try to dey respect yourself. You dey let yourself down. Now some people see the comment put, hey, right down, mama, hey, beautiful lady, nenemi. But their face not be there when their children picture not be there they bring come out to. After you don't finish the sag, now your own children then they carry come out. Now you then they insult. Who waiting no way ya emenwe. Waiting saga go, waiting they give you. You dey enjoy and be waiting. If you dey enjoy am, good o, make you carry go. But remember one thing, wetin you do today, e go affect person wey near you. If you dey enjoy am, many people dey wey their brain, their hair not correct, and then when you ask someone they go teach you pepper. Person they tell now, think say, hey, when you want to, hey, what can where you way, we saga no home. The day where you go jump person, not be Holland here, where you dey. Not be Holland, Oma Gwalowe Holland is science ya mamie. Monica, be careful, stay away from bad people where they push you. May you they do saga, make them they wash you. Tell them say, make they can't do one, may you still they wash them. Make they can't do one. All those people where they tell you say, what time you want to go the way you want to go do to the saga, may we did them, may we they wash. Tell them, may they can't still do, may you still wash them. And Oma Jemi si Oma say Oma Jemi down. Huh? Who na Monica? Who for the other side na Monica? Who for the other side na Monica? Monica, stop her baby no now. Stop her, it's very bad. They do other things. Oh, what I believe say if you they do makeup, people they watch you pass if you they do saga. Because many people they would really like to do makeup, whether they watch you, they want learn, and they say they do the makeup. They do those ones, not they do other saga. I love me. I love when no, I know they do this kind of thing again. Me, I forget. Igirebe position, I don't sleep past that level. Where they hear me? Who they home? No matter no go for where going, ya go huh? Because of you. Who may total no reason where this thing where they do. I don't like them. I bet me I change. Igbela level in a women like level. No, the same thing. It's very bad, They tell you. Because as I see on the thing they pay me for mind. You're more the thing they pay me. Oh my women, I don't like them. But you know the hear word. Now you they draw those people, make them they do one. I know say don't be everybody go like you. But no, they do what they cause all this problem. Let me they talk. Agboya said you were like you were. You must see the one will not like you. But so they do something where when they go they bring your children picture. No, they do one. No, they do one. Nobody say me you not do social media. There is many ways to do social media. There is many ways now where me even though say person do something you want talk put. You still get the way where your sister talk put. May you not go other side, you know. But you all know na bag, hey, who you just they shout, you just they do this one. No man, na so and so I get video. Now so I not get video. Monica Gbeyegbe no get na tie we Jamie si. No be saga. Who be number one saga? Monica. Who be number one nene Monica? No they do all these things, Anytime I went on here, we till the do live video. The way maybe you want to reply to me. For me, I not reply to you. You may reply. Unless one time when me I bring that video comment, I go push on. You are more a war and I boza. But if you not tell me, I not bring and comment. Now so me be. Gbeyegbe. Oma atama we me you feel where one say we believe you where one say na me no pass. Not be so. Not be so. On the stage no say people will come even they have man no watch you when you do arobi we. No we come when we come they do saga. Come do am. We they miss you, come do saga. But why then they miss you for saga? You know they sit down make you they think and say, why not they miss me for saga? A saga me I when me do. So all these things where you they do, my sister, try make you comot your hand for inside. I know say no be say you go take you know go take am. The thing where they pay me pass now the picture where they bring come out now those one they pay me. Not be your own, even though say they carry your because we way me now way no back or when I'm me your even the way they carry and now you sabi because now you do now that children will now they pay me for inside. So my brothers and sisters, I bet more help me share am. Mona, let me give Iye Otete and Monica. Iye Otete lawo wo. I can say like Beri Yokba Mayahi. Monica will me not that way. They were not with those children because those children they be innocent children because they not send their mother. They not send their mother. So because you still think and say if person still do me uncle, they bring my children picture come out. You know like them. So Monica, you ugo masoma ami ma negwe gugwa uma egbe kama no ri we la no bu we adie Holland bani obu we adie I we bona ikata mo wa we they fight for this abroad. It get the women that they fight am. Just that we dey respect ourselves. I will not respect egbon ara igbera stage so ne akpawari agberari yobi. But for your own I pray may you not go jump person wey go find you come that Holland. Holland small now you twin. Oye go here no. Ọwa no won mi we. Gbeyegbe ago egun ari eme no matter. I know say you don't do video. No. Do your video. Do it in a mature way. Hey, you got money amu go. If you want talk in a way. Talk in a way, no a day, you know. Mwe go. If no man udwata. All those things, all provoke ma. All provoke ma. Erion na toge, erion enemy, nokba. So Monica, all those things stop. I mean, my network, I mean, my network. Man, not how social media and Jane toge. Or that is when you better. Na ya atin. I mean, never toge. We. Even you have everything where you happen to you now. You can't put for social media. It's get many things where you know what may put for them. Like you now, when you go Nigeria, you tell your people say you there for Jamaica. On your oge. That one is still like now. You tell your loved one say my follower or your followers say you there for Jamaica. That one not be lie. Later they come say na Nigeria. That one not be lie because you know what made them know where you there. You take am for yourself. Or mama Nadia no do so where you no see as they lie or as they close your Facebook. I believe. If another person they close the Facebook, what Monica go do for social media? I know you, Monica. What did she go do for social media? Or is it 7 days this young baby where you told it? What a walking, you can't meet me, you go leave me here. I know what you feel do. So all these things, gain not there. You happy for that for person. Gain not there, you're all still there for front. So may we learn, may we think. Because all these things where they do now. They first close you for Facebook. Second one, now whether they close you or not know. Before you go know, you don't come there for social media again. Now some people go they press and they report you. Who think? No, these things I beg. I come up for there. I don't want again. Facebook where you build, you really build down. Just because of one person where not even talk to you. You say now you they talk to. They block your Facebook. Who go report and nobody know because not everybody they like all this yama way they do. Or I can see that make you think and say, this thing where they do that means people not like them. Many people not like them because to report, not be saying that one person or two person. Maybe that they do a bang before you know Facebook will say no. Maybe we come on this person. Monica, try to change your behavior. Try no change. You are going to 40. Because a fool at 40 is fool forever. All this nyama way they do, try to remove her. They do something where person go, they say, where you they go? I want to go watch Monica. Now a good pass. I want to go watch Saga. Monica, where they do Saga. I want to go watch her. Nini here, Monica. My brothers and sisters, just a little one. Just say me, I just quick talk. So I greet everybody.